Today I'm going to be freshening up my burgundy hair color. Now I've already touched up my roots yesterday, and today I'm going to be going over the whole thing with XMONDO Color Berry Hair Healing Color. First of all, can we talk about the packaging? How pretty is this? It has a very nice scent. It smells kind of floral, and this is what the color looks like. It's very thick, kind of like a paste, and I can't wait to try it out. This easy to use formula delivers high impact color plus vegan bond building technology for healthier head turning hair. It's so thick, you guys, it's like mud. And according to the instructions, it says you can rinse it out in 30 minutes, but I'm gonna let it marinate for about 45 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and rinse it out. And here's the final result. It gave it a really rich burgundy shade, and look at that shine. And it feels like silk. Look how much is left. I bet I could get at least 3 uses out of this. The XMONDO color is basically like a conditioning color mask. It left my hair shiny, silky, soft, with a really nice, rich color. I definitely think it's worth it to give it a shot.